Well, hello, legends. Mr. Wilson here again. Apologize over and over that I've been gone quite a bit lately, but I'm actually learning how to become a better teacher when it comes to technology. So I've got some instructions here that you're going to follow along and click as I click, and I'll try and go slow, but you need to go ahead and open up Internet Explorer right now. Not Chrome, you need to get to Internet Explorer. Okay, so go ahead and open up Internet Explorer, and Mr. Silber here can pause in case I'm going too fast, but I'm going to continue. So what you're going to do today, the first thing you're going to do is actually take the STAR math test. But you have to take it in Internet Explorer. And some of you, in fact, all of you should know what the STAR test is because you take it for language arts. It's the test that tells you what your reading level is. It'll tell you, 6.9, which is grade 6. 9th month. Okay, so you are going to go into Internet Explorer, and once you are in Internet Explorer, you are going to go up to your favorites, up to your little star there, and you should have a favorite called Renaissance Place, I believe. Mine is called Renaissance Learning, but I think yours is called Renaissance Place. So you click on Renaissance Place, and it should look very familiar, and I shouldn't have to explain how to do this. Then obviously you click on I'm a student, and then your username and password is the exact same stuff you always use to log in. And then when you get to the home page, you're gonna below where it says STAR Math, you're gonna click Take a Test, and you just simply click Start, and you are gonna show your work throughout this process. Mr. Silber is going to be passing around some work, some scratch paper, because I want to make sure that you all do your best. Okay, now after you finish the STAR test, you're going to kind of maybe do manga high while you're waiting until everyone else is finished, and then Mr. Silber is going to give the next set of directions. So go ahead and start the STAR math test now, and then when you're finished with that, do manga high, and then the next set of directions are going to come out, and I'm going to show you the next set of directions right now. Okay, but keep in mind you're taking the STAR math test first, which should take about 25 or so minutes. I don't want anyone rushing through this and just making stuff up, because I want you to, as always, do your best. Now the second thing you're going to do today is you're going to take the Unit A Readiness Assessment, which you can take that in either Chrome or Internet Explorer using digits. And some of you are sitting here saying, well, I already took the readiness assessment. You know what? I know. You took the Unit A Readiness Assessment at the beginning of the year, but we're going to take it again to see how much you've learned. Okay, so this is where you're going to log into digits going through PowerSchool. I'm not going to explain that process because I shouldn't have to, but you're going to click on the Unit A Readiness Assessment, and it should be there again. And that's 20 questions, and Mr. Silber is going to pass out scratch paper for that one as well. That is 20 questions that you will fill out on paper and then put your answers into the computer. And again, I know this is kind of a lot of testing, but this helps me become a better teacher. You guys take your time and do well on these assessments, then I can move on. You rush through them and do poorly, I'm going to have to start teaching things that I shouldn't have to teach because you understand it. So take your time today. Please do your best. When you finish your assessments, your STAR math is what you're doing first, then do manga high, and then when everyone's done with the STAR math, Mr. Silber will pass out the scratch paper for the Unit A Readiness Assessment. And again, that's located on digits, and don't forget to make sure the pop-up blockers are allowed. It says is allowed there. It should say are allowed. Make sure pop-up blockers are allowed, because a lot of students lately have been forgetting that. If it's not pulling up, you have to click on that pop-up blocker. If you can't remember how to do that, ask the students around you. Hopefully they remember. Do your best today, and as soon as you're done with these two tests, like I said, it's going to be manga high and just kind of relax time. So sorry I'm gone, but again, I am actually learning how to become a better teacher when it comes to technology. So good luck, do your best, and make sure and show your work. Thanks a lot.